I'm Zach Hale. I live in St. John's, Michigan. I have a Michigan basement for about half the house, and then all the additions that they put on was just dirt crawl space. And being in a lower lying area, we had a lot of moisture. I think I had it tested out in some of the areas was actually about 80% humidity. So with that being said, we had Ayers basement systems come in. They insulated all the foundation, wrapped it, and then sealed all the floor joists with the spray foam. Put in a new sub pump down there, and then along with a dehumidifier system. Took out, we were having issues with odors and smells from the wet, like damp, crawl space or whatever. So it took out all the, the smells that were associated with that. So our floors were really cold, especially like in the kitchen. We have tile floors, and tiles can be, cold as it is. But yeah, we had cold floors. There was also certain sections of the house that it wouldn't heat very well because the floors would stay so cold. So it's going to be interesting to see, once this winter comes around. When I first bought the house, I knew that was an issue with like the basement or whatever that was going to have to eventually get fixed. So I started doing a lot of research and looking online, and a lot of what I heard was that Ayers is basically the Cadillac systems of basement systems in the Michigan area. So I contacted them. The sales rep was extremely helpful. I mean, they made it broke it down really simple. Explained the systems that they offered, what they were going to be able to do for me, and just made it an overall a really pleasant, experience. The crew was really, really helpful. I mean, they were really professional. They actually found some more stuff that needed to be done, and they were able to provide, all the right fixes for the job without they didn't charge extra money or anything like that. It was all worked in with the price that I was quoted and everything. So really, really happy with the overall experience. Yeah, it was just an overall really great experience. I don't really go through contractors. I do a lot of work myself, but this was being one of the jobs that I knew that it was going to take like a contractor to come in and do, and so being a first time using a contractor, I was really pleased with just the professionalism, the cleanup afterwards, just the whole entire experience. So. Happy 40th anniversary, Ayers.